Let's wait for some time, let other people join. Just 2 minutes, guys. We'll start by 10:05. Let other people join.
10 billion.
స్విచ్ వాడితే వస్తుంది కదా ఒకసారి చూడు చెక్ చేయి స్విచ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ జస్ట్ 2 minutes guys we'll start by 10:05. Today we'll start to install Power BI. Just 2 minutes, other people also are coming. We'll start by 10:05. Am I on mute? Am I audible to you all? Then, all right, let's see today. So what we are going to discuss. So our goal is to install the Power BI today. So before we installing, let me give you some background work. So which are very important. That is what are the components that are available in Power BI and different modules which we are going to discuss in this course. So let me tell you what are the different components in our Power BI. So this is one of the entry question for all the guys, freshers as well as the experienced people. So components of Power BI. Perfect. Let's understand one by one what are the different components that are available for us. The first component which we have, we already discussed in our demo session, Power BI desktop. This is the first component, which is very important. And the second component which we have, this is also we have discussed Power BI service. So till here only we know so far. Apart from this, there will be the one more component, that is the Power BI mobile. This is third component. And my fourth component is Power BI report server. The next component and final component is Power BI embedded. So perfect. These are all the different components that are available. So let me make you understand one by one. You know about the Power BI desktop, Power BI service somewhat. So let me write here so how you are going to explain in your interviews. So let's see now. The first component, Power BI desktop. Let me write here Power BI desktop. What you are going to do? You develop the project. You know already about it somewhat. So after that, once you develop the project, your comes under the developer. So only developers can do it. So developers only working on the Power BI desktop. Then one more thing you did know already about it. It is free version available and the license also available. So this much you just know about it, Power BI desktop. So everything we are going to done project here only Power BI desktop. Simple. So this much only enough. For this Power BI service, just understand it's just like a cloud. So you know already about it. Who is going to maintain it? Admin. So what he are going to do? So whatever the subscriptions or any permissions. So such kind of stuff you are going to do here only. So apart from this, it is licensed version only. So you do have the free trial, but that is only for 60 days, not more than that. So this is just understand. So you can call it as a Power BI services, licensed version. Power BI desktop is free also available, licensed also available. Fine. The next component, Power BI mobile. It's just like a mobile app. In our all mobiles also we can download it. Even the iPhone also you can download it. So this is only using for the viewing purpose. Whatever the project you will done, so whatever the project, this is there available in the Power BI service. That is you can see, which means the client can see your project with their mobile tabs. So this is you can download straight away Power BI mobile app from your Play Store. You can download it. So this is free version. You no need to pay money. Simple. Apart from this, Power BI service, report server is there. It's just like a Power BI service. So this is completely licensed version. Perfect. Power BI embedded will give you, it just generate the reports. Some of the stuff that is there, but this Power BI report server, Power BI embedded, we are not going to use anywhere in the real time. So you can straight away forget about them. So what is else important for us? These three components are most important for each project. So Power BI report server, Power BI embedded, you are not going to use anywhere. But the problem is, if anybody asks in the interview, what are the different components of the Power BI, you have to tell all. That is why these are also I have included. So that is the simple thing. So one thing you just observe here, as I said here, the license version also available. So this license version, what are the different license versions that are available? Let me make you understand first. So that is also one of the interview question for the experience level people. Let me understand here the licenses. Different licenses, let me make you understand. Types of licenses or license types, whatever it is. just use. Okay, fine. We do have the two types of the licenses. So let me understand one by one. So take the first one, and here you can take the second one. Let's see now. The first license type, that is called Pro license, which means Power BI Pro license. And the second version of the license type is premium license, just like a mobile. So OTT, just like you are going to buy, the same manner only, premium Pro license. There are two types of the license, and the differences also will be there. So what are the differences? Let me make you understand. This Pro license, it is about $14 for user per month. So this is how simple understand. Then what is this license giving you? So it is just like a sharing dedicated space, which means that it's just like a Wi-Fi. If we people are only connecting one guy with the Wi-Fi, it will give you the more speed, your internet speed. If the same with the Wi-Fi connection, if the 100 people connecting, 50 people connecting, it is go down your that one. So what to call the internet speed. The same manner, it is just like a sharing space, which means that once you share the your space, it is going to reduce the performance. Simple. So if it is going to reduce the performance, then who is going to use it? So any startup companies. So because they are using only the less number of the users, that is why Pro license it is suitable for them, and any small organizations. So they are going to use this Pro license version. So this is just simple. Remember, premium license. Under this premium license, we do have again two types. So what are the different two types? Let me make you understand here. So let's understand here. So two types again. So what are the two types here again that are available here? Let me make you understand here. The first one, individual capacity. Simple. The second one, group capacity. So individual people can use, or group people can use. Then what is the advantage of from this? Let me make you understand. Simple only, whatever we know about that. So this version is about 24 or $25 per user per month. Simple. So then what is the advantage from here? So it is giving you dedicated space, and individual person can use it, because if the one person or individual person can connect with it, automatically it is giving you more performance. Only the fixed number of the people only they are going to connect it based on the dedicated space available. So apart from that, who is going to use it? So any medium range of the companies, they are going to use it. So this is, remember, so you can understand this group one. The group capacity, so it's about $5,000 plus dollars. So for group, so for month I am just giving for group of people or group, so whatever it is, you can call it. So now it is giving you large dedicated space. So what is the use of the large dedicated space here? So we'll check it. So large dedicated space can large number of the people, which means that the more number of the people can use it. So no worry, you can use it. Apart from this, let's understand the one more thing here. Automatically, it will give you more performance or good performance. You can call it anything. So who is going to use it? Any MNC companies or any big companies, any product-based companies. They do have the, the developers across the world, so are different locations. So that's why they must require the group capacity license. So that is why you just understand the most of the, any product-based company or the any MNCs, they are using the group capacity license. So because of the multiple developers are there working across the world, so that is why they are going for this one. All right, this is important for the people who are looking for the experience, because they will ask you the questions straight away like that. What are the different license type that are using in your current project or current company? So you must have some of the knowledge about it. What is the cost of it? What is the difference between pro and individual and group capacity licenses? That you must know. So this is how. So which related to the component and component related stuff. So two questions in there. The component that license version. Let me make you understand what we are going to discuss in this our Power BI course. In the Power BI course, we are going to discuss the different modules. Let me make you understand the first modules. What are the different modules? What we are going to discuss. So the modules are modules in Power BI. So let's see different modules what we are going to discuss here. The first module we are going to discuss here the Power. Let me under this Power BI desktop only we are going to discuss. So let me straight away write like this here the data transformation. Data transformation which we are going to discuss. What data transformation? What data transformation will do? Here in our Power BI we used to call it as a Power Query Editor. So this one first module which we are going to discuss, and the second module what we are going to discuss here is data visualization. Data visualization you know already, so which means that different charts and different graphs. So those are all we are discussing. Apart from this, the most important one DAX we are going to discuss. Apart from this, the next one which we are going to discuss here so data modeling. Data modeling in the sense left join, right join like this. So and the final one which is important, after you complete a project you are going to place that into the Power BI service. So these are all the different modules that you are going to cover here for your entire project. Fine. Now for all this you just observe here the Power BI service is different component, and so these are all what are it is there here till here you are going to experience all this in the Power BI desktop. So all this experience in Power BI desktop. Simple. So this last one only Power BI service is separate one, that is separate component. So all these modules cover by using that Power BI desktop. So let me make you understand here the one by one. So what is the use of Power Query Editor, data visualization, DAX and data modeling? We will understand one by one. Before we understand, let me install Power BI desktop. So what to do to install the Power BI desktop? You simply go to your browser. Wait, observe the class. Class observe recording recording is there, no need to write you people if anybody writing. So just go to your browser. So Chrome, just type the Power BI. Simple. The moment you go there, the first link, did you observe Power BI data visualization? So this is coming from Microsoft. Did you observe here? So Can I call it as it is the Microsoft product? Simple. Click over here, you reach out here. So here, once you go down, you can read, whatever it is there available here. So these are all the international standard one, the definition or anything, the experience of the Power BI. You can go through it if you get time. So if any people are, looking for the any product based company abroad, so like that, you people better to read once it. So because of the, these are all the international standard definitions that they are given. So perfect. So apart from this, so on the top you go here. So go to the artificial intelligence. So here also any person is in the future, they are looking for the any research innovation like this with the artificial intelligence with the Power BI. You just go through it once. You can understand the recent developments of the Power BI also. Fine. So next to go to solutions, nothing will be there. You don't need to look into it. Just directly go to the product. In the product, the moment you click over here Power BI, you can see all this which whatever we have discussed. Power BI desktop, pro license, premium license, embedded report server. These two we are not going to use anywhere. No need to discuss about it. So we are going to install our Power BI desktop. The moment you go here the product, here click over here. So this is the page you land on. Don't go directly download here. So click on the advanced options. So before here also you go down, they are giving you some of the information which is related to Power BI desktop. So we have discussed about that pro license that is there $14 per month per user. So this is one of that. Premium licenses we will see, not now. So this is how directly they are giving. The moment you reach out here, go to the advanced download options. So here they have given that Microsoft is giving the straight away Power BI desktop. What is Power BI desktop? If you can able to read it, if you can able to recall it, better to read it in your real time or in your interviews, you can tell this one. So by telling such a international standard definitions, it is giving you more marks. So which means that more impression. So here the download option, we are going to download from here. So before that you can choose any language. So for our India, we do have Hindi also. So but so all we people download only English version. That's right. Before we download it, so let's understand one thing here. The version, what type of version that you are using right now. This is interview question. Don't tell that at this version. So when it is released, that you need to understand. When it is released, 15/7, right? So 14/7, which means that 2 days back. So only Monday before you demo only it is it got released new version. Simple. You are in the latest now. So as I told you, this is related to 32-bit version and this is related to 64-bit version. So we know already. So what all you need to understand here, the Power BI desktop. What you are going to do the Power BI desktop. So in the Power BI desktop, first what you do, you get the data. So once you get the data, then you are going to create the relationship in the sense. So left join, right join, inner join, those are all the things there. So multiple tables you are going to join there. So then after that you are going to create the report, which means the dashboard project based on the client requirement. Then after that you save it. Then after that you upload and publish this to the Power BI service. So it means that what we can do by using this Power BI desktop. So this is your life cycle, day-to-day activity. You get the data, then you maintain the relationship. Then after that you build the report based on the client requirement. Then you save it and you publish it. So this is your life cycle. Anybody ask in the interviews, so what is your day-to-day activity? You simply tell this one. So don't read entire all these lines. Simply you just headings only. So we get the data, then after that we maintain the relationship based on our data. Then we go for the reports, then we save it and we upload it. Simple. 5 headings only. That is how. Apart from this, one thing you just observe here. So this is supporting operating system that are only the Windows family. So where we can't able to do it, Mac, Linux operating system, we can't able to do it. So it means that, can I call it here so Mac and Linux operating system, we can't able to install. Your Power BI, simple. If this is the certification question, Mac and Linux operating system, you can't able to install it. So where we can install it? Windows family, Windows 10, Windows 11, like this. So which means that, can I call it as a Windows family only? Simple. If anybody asks in the interviews or any certification, can't able to answer it? Simple. If anybody asks you which is related to the version, what is the version that you are using? So you no need to remember the number. So you just simply remember that new month, every new month will release the new version. So 14th mid of the every month is going to release the new version, which means that every new month new version will come. So this is simple how you just remember. So before we are installing. Now let's go to install our Power BI. So what we did, simply go here on your search box, type here the Power BI. The moment you click on here, it will come the Microsoft Power BI data visualization. Click over here. Simply directly go to the products. Click over here, Power BI, next desktop. The moment you click here, you will reach out to this page. Don't go download, go to the advanced download option. Simple. Go down, select here the language English or any other language if you feel. So click on download. So it will ask you this is related to 32-bit laptops. This is related to 64-bit laptops. So all we people using the 64-bit, select it, then click on download. It's getting download, wait. Still downloading, wait for few seconds. Perfect. Double click over here. Wait, it will open. It will coming up like this, 64-bit which we are going to download. Again, you can choose any language, whatever language that you want. So click on next. Click on yes. Fine. Again, click on next. Nothing bigger. So this is the license terms and conditions. If you feel bored, you go and read it. Otherwise, simple click over here. Then click on next. So this is where it is going to save in your C drive. That is why I told you 1 or 2 GB must be required space. Click on next. Perfect. Now click on install. Finally, it is getting installed. It takes time. Meanwhile, మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. Any doubts? Any people having any doubts, you can ask. It takes time, that is why. ఏమైనా ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి అయ్యా. Today only install it, Power BI desktop. So today onwards you are going to enter into the real-time scenarios which we are going to discuss every day. So don't delay it at any cost. By end of today, complete it. Any person having any doubt, you can ask. It takes time. Meanwhile, ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. Takes time. Please do have patience. Come on, fast. ఏమన్నా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి. మీన్ వైల్ ఎనీ పర్సన్. నువ్వు డెమోకి అటెండ్ అయ్యావా నిన్న? ఈరోజు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకో, ఇంకా పవర్ బిఐ అయిపోతుంది. అవునా? అయిపోయాక చూద్దాం ఇంకేముంటుంది. ఏం కావాలి, నో వరీ. అన్ని క్లారిటీ వచ్చాక యూ కెన్ డిసైడ్. ఓకే, ఫైన్. No worry, we'll discuss everything. Any online people, any doubts? The time padtadaya, we have to wait. Takes, I think so, 1 more minute or 2 more minutes it takes. Meanwhile, if you have any doubts, you can free to ask. How long? Come on, do it fast. Okay, perfect. So install, just click on finish. After that, go to search box, just type Power BI. So you reach out your Power BI desktop. What happened here? Just type only Power BI desktop, open it here. This is Microsoft. You can observe here, this is the icon of Power BI. Just like a DP. Look at here. This is your Power BI home page. So in the Power BI home page, you will have all this. So which is related to you can connect the data sources. Then you click on the open. So wait. So you can see the recent files that you have, saved. Go to the folders, everything. It will available here under the open. So here you can, connect the data sources. Then once you go down, so it is giving you the recommended. So what is the introduction of the Power BI? It is giving you. So it is just like a database. You are going to maintain the relationship which we have discussed. That relationship which you used to call it as. So left chain, right chain, like that, data modeling. Then after that, you are going to build the reports. Then time taking the refresh and all your complete project like this. Just like the introduction of your Power BI, how Power BI works. Just life cycle only. Here down also you can see your recent files, whatever you saved, and you can save to your colleagues also in your company. This is how simple. So under the home menu, the options you have. Here the sign in options you will get because I already have sign in. So that is why it's by default sign in with the new version also which we have installed right now. This is options and settings. We will discuss about it. The moment you click on the about, what is the version that you have downloaded, it will show you. Look at here. I clicked on the about. Look at here the version. This is the version. So we have downloaded the latest version, that is July. So current month is July, right? So they don't give you a date. So but they will give you the version month and year. Fine. So this is fine. So now before that, we want to load the data into Power BI. How to connect the Power BI? Just what you do, go here the again Chrome. Just type here the sample superstore data. Sample superstore data set. Just type like this on your Chrome. Just hit the enter. The first one here the Tableau community. Here it is available Excel file. So click over here first link. Then at the down you can this is the file Excel file. Just to download it. Click over here. It's getting downloaded. So once it is completed, open it. Excel data only we are connecting. So that Excel data which we have, that is why we are downloading. So this is the data which we have. So these are all the column headers. You just observe customer ID, customer name, segment, city, state, category, subcategory, sales and profit. So this is the data which we have. Same data I want to connect to my Power BI. So that is the thing. So now from here just observe. So you completed your installation. Now your real time will start. The first interview question that is there, the how many ways that we can connect the data. So we have Excel data, right? Just downloaded this Excel data, how many ways we can connect. So let's see here how to connect it. Let me open my new Power BI. Okay, click over here, Power BI. Perfect. This is the home page. Under the home page also there is the options. So we have the data source right now, Excel only. The moment you click on here, it will take. Perfect. This is we just downloaded, date, time, you can observe. So select that one, then click on. Open. So wait, got stuck. got stuck. Just wait. So this is the home page. You click on here the Excel, select your file, then click on open. Simple. Wait, it's getting connecting your sample superstore data which you have downloaded just now. Wait. So look at here, three tables coming. So let me check in my Excel, three tables are having perfect orders table, return, people's table. The same table only we have connected here. So the moment you click over here, it will give you a preview of your data, whatever the data that is there available. Perfect. This is the data which we have in Excel. So direct load the data. Click on load. Wait. But having the more than 10,000, about 10,000 records takes time. Just observe here the data section. What it will come, you just observe. We have almost 10,000 records, so that's why taking time to load it. Perfect. So this is the table which we have connected. Just expand it. Only column names you got it here under the data section. If you want to see the data, go here the second option, that is table view. The moment you click on here, the all your data will come here. So fine, which means that the first way of your connecting data under the home, it is structured. Under the home menu, you can connect one way. So let me show you the other ways how to connect it. So I'm opening new one, empty one. Just observe here the this is the otherwise you might be getting confused. Let me open new Power BI. Let me open new Power BI now. Open laptop. There is no overload. So Power BI desktop, click over here. Okay, fine, perfect. So here we can connect one way. So instead of going here, click on the blank report. The moment you click on the blank report, you will reach out to your user interface of your Power BI. Fine. Here, go to the data section, expand it. So there will be the hyperlink is there. So get data. So click over here. Same procedure. The moment you click there, it will take you to this page. Excel file only which we have. So connect it. The same procedure. So select the file and open it. This is the second way. I'm not opening, it takes time. This is the canvas area which we are going to build our reports. So in this canvas area also it is available to connect the data. Now click over here the Excel, same procedure, select it, open it. This is third way. And next go to the home menu, there will be the get data option. Here the Excel also available. Click over here, select it, open it. Simple. So that is next way. This is the also one of the way. So we have how many ways? 2 here, 2 here, 4. Under the home menu we have connected 5. The next one, go to the file menu. Simple. Here also get data option available. Then click on the Excel. The same thing, select your file. Now click on open. So total how many ways we can connect the data? 6 ways. Simple. Can't you tell in the interview? Anybody ask you? So this is fresher level interview questions. So you can expect such questions. So total 6 ways we can connect the data. Now let me make you understand my Power BI now. So for example, these are all the columns under the data section that are coming up. And if you want to see the data, here only you can see under the table view tab we used to call. So the moment you go here the report view, the moment you go to the report view, so this is the area. Only now open one Power BI. Yeah, okay, fine. The moment you go to the report view, this is the canvas area, you can do the visualization. Visualization section, there will be the different charts. You go click somewhere here. So you just drag anywhere, wherever you want, simple. Expand it how much as you want, only within that space, canvas area. The moment you click on the something here, it will give you the result. So click on the city or click on the sales value. Simple. Like this coming up. So go here, go to the turn on the data labels. So only format one, turn on the data labels. Just like this. So I just click on the one more chart here. So now I'm just clicking on the category and I want to click on the profit. If I want to see the values here, simply go here, go down, data labels, click on turn on. Simple. So till here do practice today. From tomorrow we will take up the other things. Before that you just understand this is the canvas area. These are all the options, user interface. This is visualization section, filter section. This is filter section we used to call it. This is visualization section we used to call it. This is the data section we used to call it. So this is canvas area and down is the pages. As many pages as you want, you can add it. Simple. So these are all the different tabs, report view tabs, table view tabs, data modeling tabs. This is DAX. So this is how simply till here you do practice. From tomorrow onwards, we will take up the more real-time scenarios. So if you stuck anywhere while you are installing your Power BI, So let me know. Apart from this, what else you have another task? After you install, you have to download the data. The data, how to type it? Sample superstore dataset. Anybody still have doubt here that you can take snap? Then click on enter. So here the first one only Tableau community, under the Tableau community XLS file. The click over here. Download this file. So make sure download this data set and installing Power BI desktop. From tomorrow onwards, you are going to take the real-time scenarios. Today you do. From tomorrow we will take up that one. Any doubts so far? If you stuck anywhere while installing, let me know. I will help you out to sort it out. Any questions, guys? Online? Any doubts or questions? Ismail, Sai, Dinesh, Mohammed, Sasra, Srinivas, Atidi. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Other people, ఏమైనా questions ఉంటే చెప్పండి అయ్యా.
No, sir.
Okay. Other people, you can speak out.
Sir,
చెప్పండి అయ్యా ఏమన్నా.
sir, am I visible? Audible?
Yeah, audible, Dinesh.
సార్ అది మనం ఏ చార్ట్ ఎప్పుడు ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలనేది ఎలా సార్?
అవన్నీ నీకు రియల్ టైమ్ సినారియోలో చెప్తాను. ఒక్కొక్క చార్ట్కి ఆ చార్ట్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్, ఆ చార్ట్కి వాట్ ఆర్ ద కాలమ్స్ దట్ ఆర్ సూటబుల్ టు టేక్ దట్ పర్టికులర్ చార్ట్. So dimensional columns, measure columns, aggregate columns, non-aggregate columns, these are all the different types out there. So based on that columns and data inside that columns, we are going to give you how to use the different charts.
ఓకే సార్.
You don't worry, Dinesh, I will help you out, no worry. So every chart, each chart individually we are going to deal.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
You don't worry. In real time also you can suggest the people.
Yes, sir.
So real time, if any client asks you, for example, they are giving you some scenario, they ask you straight away, developer, please may help you out which chart is suitable for this scenario. In that case, you have to tell them what chart giving the best visualization for the client.
Yes, sir.
So you don't worry, I will help you out 100%. Sai asking only from online. What is this one, Sai? Offline class also there? Online class also there?
Yes, like we can download from Microsoft or only we need to go for Google and we need to
Which one?
Power BI.
Oh, this top question. Can we download Power BI from Microsoft Store? You can download Sai anywhere. So better to go to website Sai. So up question, I didn't check it. Sai, go to Chrome. You can download from there. That is the best one. Instead of you are going to Play Store. Microsoft Store also there. You can do both ways, but better to go website. Any other person having any questions? Ismail, Srinivas Naidu, I think so. Some name is not visible there. Muhammad. If you don't have any questions, it's good to wind up. We'll catch up tomorrow at the same time. So, okay, fine. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.